Today I'm going to show you how to program on our 3D software. So we start off with this screen where you select which spring you would like. Today we're going to program a conical spring. We have a height of 150 millimeters, 10.5 coils. The starting diameter will be 100 and the finished diameter will be 62. We then press OK, and then the program automatically generates a program for us. As you can see, you can select which part of the spring and it highlights the program in which to change it. If the diameter is too big, you can select which part of the spring you would like to change and then easily change it in either of those boxes. Let us know your thoughts on the video and stay tuned for more.